old and in 8th grade. This is my presentation about my passion, cars, and especially car design. I used to draw cars since I was little, but only real-life cars. Now I also draw my own. This is a drawing that I'm currently working on. This is the Audi A5. This is our own real-life car. This is a drawing that I challenged myself to do in 10 minutes based on this cover art of a game that's coming out. This is my Lego collection. I'm gonna show the most customized one because I don't have a lot of time. This is a Nissan Silvia S15 with a big engine. It is made from only using parts from the original Toyota Supra. This is a Mazda RX-3 made with using parts only from a set. I don't have the instructions, so yeah. This is a Mazda MX-5 Miata made from only pieces from this Polestar set. This is a Volvo 850 made from the Dodge Charger set. This is a Ford Mustang GTD with a splitter and a wing and a big diffuser made from the Ford Dark Horse set. Did you know that car design has influence on fuel consumption? Like this Volvo 50 here has a worse fuel consumption because it's really blocky right here. And Ford Mustang Dark Horse has a bad fuel consumption because it's a splitter and a rear wing. But that means that it can corner well. But the Revuelto here has a better fuel consumption because it's really slick. The aerodynamics are really slick. And that means that it's better for the environment. This is a Nissan Seja, you can see, because it's a wagon. It used to be a R34. The Porsche GT3 RS has customized lights because the real ones used to look really flat. Now to the diecast collection. Here's the majorettes. The Matchbox. I collect these because I like the design of them. Here the Hot Wheels collection. And the 5-pack collection. Then the Hot Wheels Premium collection. Hot Wheels Silver Spheres collection. And the big Hot Wheels wall with over 350 cars on it. That was my presentation about my passion, car design. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.